Have you ever wondered how drones went from being a military tool to a gadget in the hands of photography enthusiasts across the globe? Our story begins with the early adoption of drones in the military, where they were used for surveillance and targeted operations. With advancements in technology, the drones began to shrink in size, but not in functionality. They became more compact, more advanced, and most importantly, more affordable. This miniaturization of drones opened up a world of possibilities. They took their place in various sectors, from agriculture to emergency services, delivering goods to filming movies. But perhaps the most exciting development was their entry into the world of photography. Suddenly, amateurs and professionals alike had a new tool that could capture images from perspectives that were once impossible to reach. Indeed, drones have come a long way and their journey is far from over. So stay tuned as we continue to delve into the fascinating world of drones. To truly appreciate the impact of drones, we need to take a journey back in time. Our story begins in the early 20th century during the World Wars, when the concept of unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, was first introduced. Initially used for military purposes, these early drones were simple, remote-controlled aircraft used for target practice. However, as the years rolled on, the potential for drones in other areas began to surface. By the late 20th century, drones had made their way into the commercial and consumer market. From delivering packages to capturing stunning aerial footage, drones started to show their versatility. Now let's talk about the technological advancements. Over the years, drones have undergone significant transformations. Camera quality, for instance, has evolved from grainy, low-resolution images to crisp, high-definition visuals. Flight time has also improved, with modern drones capable of staying airborne for far longer than their early counterparts. Perhaps one of the most significant advancements has been in the control mechanisms. From rudimentary remote controls to sophisticated systems that use GPS and real-time data, the way we command these flying machines has changed dramatically. So, as we stand on the cusp of a new era in drone technology, it's fascinating to look back and see how far we've come. From warfare to aerial photography, drones have carved a unique path in our technological landscape. Fast forward to today, and drones are more than just flying cameras. These versatile machines have evolved into indispensable tools, serving a multitude of roles in our modern world. From enhancing our online shopping experience with speedy drone deliveries to playing a pivotal role in search and rescue missions, drones have become integral to the fabric of our society. They can penetrate areas too dangerous for humans, delivering vital supplies or aiding in disaster relief operations, proving themselves as life-saving assets. But the influence of drones extends beyond practicality. The world of art has embraced this technology with open arms. Drone photography and videography have emerged as revolutionary mediums, allowing artists to capture the world from unique vantage points and perspectives, creating mind-bending visual narratives that were once unimaginable. The power of drones today is undeniable and their potential immeasurable. The sky is no longer the limit when it comes to the potential of drones. So, where does this leave us? We've journeyed through the drone revolution, understanding its history and evolution over time. We've seen drones transition from mere objects of fascination to powerful tools used in various fields. Today, drones are reshaping the landscape of aviation, gaming, and photography. They're helping businesses thrive, artists create, and communities remain safe. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with drones, who knows what the future holds? Let's take a moment and enjoy some of the work of the drone photographers.